OneShade Custom Notification is an Android application designed to enhance the notification experience on mobile devices by providing a customizable notification shade. This app allows users to modify and personalize how notifications appear, giving them greater control over their notification settings and aesthetics. Key features typically include the ability to change the appearance of the notification panel, including backgrounds, icon styles, and colors, thus allowing users to create a unique look that matches their personal preferences. The app often offers options for quick settings toggles, enabling users to access essential functions like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and brightness directly from the notification shade. Additionally, OneShade may support advanced notification management, allowing users to filter, categorize, and prioritize notifications from different apps. Overall, OneShade Custom Notification provides a convenient and visually appealing way for users to manage and customize their notifications, enhancing their overall mobile experience.